Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute up on the beatings can't see on the screen, there's a whole lot going on with Jamaica and Jamaican, so it's extremely important to watch at the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Kizzy and Kiprich story. As you know, wow, the baby was born prematurely at 6 months in Colombia and passed away 13 days later. Miss Marse, and you know, they just kept a funeral service for baby Miracle. And right now, Kiprich, baby mother Miss Chin, is coming out offering condolences. Miss Marse, my people putting out the comment section what you think about that, because you know she was very vocal. I don't want to say throughout the pregnancy, but after the birth, insinuating that Kizzy was faking. Because, you know, Kizzy has a habit of crying wolf per se and pranking people seriously. You know, she was one time sad and come back with body and all of this stuff. But nevertheless, Miss Chin is offering condolences, and this is what she had to say. So she kicked off the letter saying, "To my baby father, I just want you to know that I am sorry for all that I put you through since lately. I pray you find it in your heart to forgive me. I have repented. Normally, whenever you're going through bad times, I would check on you, you know, call you or WhatsApp, and we can always talk about it. This time I add fire to the fury by coming here and doing the most because I was provoked by some you know what, Philistine. Now, I can't call or WhatsApp you because you're upset with me. I am sincerely sorry and truly don't want to see you hurt or broken. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I allowed Satan to use me to come up against you, using harsh words, provoking you. I know I know all aware, Mr. Cannot rub out. Please don't hold it against me. I am not perfect. I am very sorry. Please forgive me, my baby father. I pray that all you're going through brings you closer to the Lord. I pray that God gives you and your partner strength, Miss Kizzy, and healing in this season. In Jesus' name, God bless you. Shalom. Putting in the comment section where you think about that. You know, she came out the other day and said, you know, she didn't believe Kizzy because of, you know, her reputation of crying wolf. But when she seen, you know, the footage of, you know, Miracle being airlifted and this stuff, she realized it was serious. Now, I was able to confirm Kizzy was accompanying Kiprich in Colombia to go a stage show. She didn't have work, as previous told to us on the GoFundMe. They say, I say, put in the comment section where you think about that, because a lot of people is asking questions why she really accompany Kiprich. You see what I say? Because it made it seem like they was there both for work. You see what I say? So that's why a lot of people is questioning her story. You know what I mean? You know, sin. It's just weird, you know, a close family member broke the story to the Observer when Kizzy and Kiprich never we know what go on for not to go on. So a lot of people, you know, didn't believe the Observer because Kizzy them never used them platform and let the people them know Miracle passed away. You know what I mean? Putting out the comment section where you think about that. It's just a lot, being that this series is public. You know what I mean? People is wondering why they kept the funeral in Colombia. I don't know if there was, you know, cremation. Maybe they bring the urn on the plane with them. But yeah, it's just people is asking why them never keep it in Jamaica or America. You see me, I say, cause you know, visiting, you know, your loved one that passed to clean the tombstone and put flower on, it's going to be, you know, a lot. You see me, I say, and them say a lot of money was made through the GoFundMe that could have take care of, you know, the bills and things and things. You see me, I say, I'm not going to get into his shirt, but people said that kind of look away too. You see me, I say, putting out the comment section where you think about that. But yeah, condolences goes out to everybody. You know what I mean? But yeah, they're really doing Kipper bad because of Kizzy, you know, crying wolf. You see what I said? But me just want to give you an update while go on for not to go on.
Me said that. Said this girl about this baby intentionally. I hope. she know say her words me I use back on her. So me not say allegedly a bombard. When she realized say the baby was a girl, Kiprich of all girl, she ball and say she never want no girl pick me. She no want in her. Wanna go back go watch a video them. So what she has said, me I use against her. So for the people that would die up, who never watch all of them video, yeah, me have a reason why me talk this way. Because me have to go back and watch a portion of video. See Belly, yeah? A boy she did one, that's why she come out in the same dress. Because she didn't want a boy. But when she realized it's a girl, and she was so mad, everybody have to hush her, and I console her, and I everything with her. So, it bring me right here to my belief, to my understanding, say, I think she do this intentionally, knowing say she go have a abortion if she go into the sky. She read a lot and she's very smart. So I hope the money where them accumulate, then can donate this to somebody and send back Spice 5,000 I go give her. Because let me tell you something. When a person wants something, you can't give it to them. She no want a girl baby and Kiprich can't make she keep a girl baby. So if I know the plane make she lose the baby, she go over there, mess up, and have.
Alright, the next trending video, Mr. out of Jamaica have to deal with Akeem. The social media detectives is on Akeem like white on rice and things. You know, the man them a come out hard for him what they from the Sea World community. You know, the final boss them in them world like Nicholas and Snow. I mention him name and a bag of other people, and no people is out for the video footage them because I don't know when, but nevertheless, them said this is a video of Akeem and Snow in a like some accident run at the toll. This man say putting at the comment section where you think about that, cause you know a lot of people is saying it's two different locations. This man say anyway, let's proceed to the next trending topic, isn't it? And then have to deal with Akeem one time, TikTok wife, Rosalie. A lot of people saying, you know, she's trying to, you know, beg back, you know, certain relationships on the app after, you know, her life. I don't want to say going downhill, but yeah, you know, the things then with Akeem, Fantastic Four, always being tree, you know, with Diamond, all of these things, you know, so, you know, she wants to go back to her, you know, original, you know, space. You see what I say, but you know, them say she can't go back and save you, so all of them people did I give her the silent treatment. Yeah, and she never told like that, so no, she's responding to Ivany and Donia and these things. You see what I say, so let's take a listen.
To play one match. I'm gonna say a few words. I'm gonna look at Vanny over there kill up herself. I'm passing up on the FYP a chat send message to me. Vanny can't send a message to blood clot me. You, no, panya. Well, no beggar like myself can't send a message to me. The only person who can send me a message to hurt me and my gift that will me all lose. I know the whole of you, I look clout for beg. The whole of you, I pay clout to me, I look clout for begging. And I come on, let me have a gift at one time. If you have beg, things I'm doing, you know. She said, Rosalie, you know why I like you? You have a gift there. Vibes. She said, Rosalie, you know why I like you? You're not common like the rest. If you have bigger money, you have bigger money. If you are rank, you are rank. That's how I will reach out and give you. A long time she not call me. If you have bigger money, you have bigger money. I had the only one pay me say look cloud for big. Me not look cloud for big. Let's see everything I want for the FYP. Why the honey come out and say she breed, me not look. When come out to that stinking pussy, me not look. Don't know the girl look up at me not look. I want party me say on the FYP one me don't look. Kizzy baby drop out RIP to look one, cause sometimes it hard for you carry a baby and when a baby born they lose a child. RIP to look one, me not look. That become a mad, me not look. Me not look out, me not look. I see everything. I see every bump of blood clotting. Can't come out with 10 and all of them, I see it, I don't look. I don't look out. I don't look out, I don't chase clout. You know why I don't chase clout? Me, Rosalie, my life, me can write a blood clot book. So I'm going to sit down and chase cloud from people's story. Because I come out and say blood clot like I was thinking and I was coming up in my business. But I could have come out and say blood clot. With me enough, so I come say blood clot. Then as quick as any fuck Yankee should breathe, cannot me, you know. It's a possibility. Sometimes it's not. It's not my business. Me see her daughter come out one day, yeah. Looking raggedy. I'm gonna cuss her because the other way are young people. One message me have to send to that little girl. That little girl is that. Right down still around you. I know the little boy and the female and still around you. Them gone now because you know I stop man stay. Some man are opportunists. So don't think I don't know. Some man are opportunists. You're a young girl. Come online, beg your money, take care of your youth, fix up your blood clot self, and life move on. That's the only message I ever sent to her. My mom never loved. But I look, what's your name? Anna? Yeah, she more answer the message too. Because she carry herself some way I don't like it. Because we are a woman, I come cuss her. So she kill him. I'm not fast in her business either. I hope she get the message. If nobody not tell her this, may I tell her this as a well experienced girl, Anna. You're young. Me older than you, you're young. You have one youth. Them always say young girl make one pin match up a lie. You're young. You have your mom have a platform. You created a platform yourself. Sit down from dusk till dawn and beg your money. If you get $150 over here, 100 or 100 a gift, you spend 100 by yourself and you save 200. When a boy left you, they're supposed to crash out. Because someone will not tell her the right thing, you know. You know, oh, Rosalie, when boy left me, not crash out. Me cuss back boy and tell boy. Because I don't know reason I cuss back boy and tell boy, you know, say you go through some rough stage with some boy and then come out to be just a motherfucking ungrateful son of a bitch. When boy left me, not crash out. Come no way pan boy for left me. You see, if me see you not meet my requirements, I'm going to stay with you all long, but walk away. And if I feel like you want to come get right with me, I want more liberty, you. The boy that left me, I'm going to mash up. What's your name, chat? Anna? Yeah. Anna, you're a young girl. In spite of all the differences that we face in life, we now come class and bring you down like the other people in Empire and slaughter you and slaughter good night and slaughter you and put up on slaughter. But you're a young girl, you have one youth. Wake up a morning time. Click your live. Chat, one open the ranking. If anybody can help me rank, you see, you pay a match. If you get 100 or 200 or 300 I give, you make sure you wake up, you build yourself a baby. You wake up, you come out and you catch up a ear. You come on with a bright smile. You feed your baby. You make sure your baby feed her alright. You come on and you look your money, you beg. When you come on and you look your money, you beg, you go open your account and you save your own. You come to the answer argument, now not gonna make no sense. Because how we know all of them in a box for me in class and bring them all about. I start a verse with nothing. When me used to come on TikTok, that's why when I see Lee post, oh, which side him choose, me just block him. When me start TikTok, a $50 what I give me used to get a $100 what I give. $50 $100 what I give. Back in the days, $50 $100 what I give. $50 $100, sometimes I got 200, I'm coming every day. 50 100, 50 100, 50 100. And by the end of the week, me have even 400 or 500 when my blood clot do. Me cash out 1 2 and save the rest. The key thing in life is not what you earn, it's what you save. So you uplift yourself. Just all the bag of extra spending and the brafing and like me have client over here. I not blood clot client on TikTok. 95% of the people who give me the money give me because they like me. There's nothing different about Rose. I'm smart. That's the only difference. You save. It's not what you earn, it's what you save. And I tell you something over here. And I save my money, I now buy clothes. Ask that man what I do with him know. If I'm willing to come here one day, that I jakes him, come and argue with him, as I say. If I'm willing to come here one day and tell him the whole truth and not about the blood clot truth, they give him a round of applause and show him flowers game. Ask him. Him say, Mr. Junior, now buy clothes, I'm ready for that. Naked, I save me. I start TikTok, I'm naked. When I start TikTok, I'm naked. I mean naked. I have 2 good suit of clothes. I have 3 good slippers. I'm say, you can't buy your clothes, I'm ready for that. I'm staying on my rundown up. I'm staying on a rundown building. Save minds. I'm going to tell myself, say, it's the day when me leave, yes, so. When me I leave, it's no turning back. So when what are them people? One nasty over here. One nasty over here. Rosalie, move your blood clot. Everybody I make money and I improve if I not improve. I'm just still gonna smirk and say, look at them. Look at them. Who never seen before cast the first stone? The whole of them, she walk this and she house dirty and dirty house Rosalie. How comes in the house? How come of these last days I don't hear not house, dirty rose Rosalie? Even the bitches them tell me say, oh, me not level up, me not going to improve. Me say no blood clot, quell. No, but not cost me again. I tell me say my house dirty, you know. But clean up my dirty house, I don't hear that anymore. When I can flip my camera like this and turn it around like this and just turn it up and down and I do like all of them. None of them not curse. Say my house. But them not cuss me again and tell me say my house dirty, my love. Go clean your house. But then I'm yam for you, go clean your house. And I sit here and I take all the criticism. And watch I blood clot do. Even when police expose my house. And they put on bed foot. Justice in the bed and the bed foot. Some whole long time or in the back can't show them face. Justice in the bed and the bed foot. Remember one Sunday like this, we slept on my veranda and a ball till a week. And the only person who could come give me a hug a shanta. A ball till a week. And hear the long time. Hear the. When I hear nothing. When I hear. When I hearing. Yep. I remember one Sunday when I over here. And a ball till a week. I'm gonna come up. And the whole of them. Justice in the bed and the bed foot. Look how where I'm at. No! I carry down people in a life. I said, today for you, tomorrow for me, I'll be better. Me not carry down people in a life. Life is a set of phases. And a man.
Yeah, it's a lot. I don't think she got her visa to go to England and things, whether she did or not, only can put in the comment section. But just giving them quick update on the day, so you know we'll do it again in the night. Do the right thing and like, share, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Please.